Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Next Generation Mechanic. The air conditioning system has different purposes: cooling, pressurization, equipment cooling, heating and temperature control. In this video I will specifically tell you about how the cooling works in the air conditioning system on a 737. As far as I know, the principle of air conditioning is the same on most airliners. Do you want an explanation of the other purposes of the air conditioning system as well? Let me know in the comments. Let me show it to you with the help of this schematic. To make it easier to understand, in this schematic red means hot air and blue means cold air. Bleed air is taken from the engine or APU when the engine is not running. First, this air is directed through the ozone converter. At cruise altitude, where airplanes mostly fly when in operation, the ozone levels can be toxic for humans. So we have to remove this before we can use the bleed air in the air conditioning system. This is done at the ozone converter with the help of a chemical reaction that changes ozone molecules to oxygen molecules. If the bleed air is ozone free, we move further upstream, and here we see the FCSOV or flow control shut-off valve. The FCSOV controls bleed air to the air conditioning system. Then, if we move further upstream, we see the primary heat exchanger. This heat exchanger cools the bleed air before it enters the compressor section of the air cycle machine. Cooler bleed air then goes to the compressor section of the air cycle machine and is sent through a second heat exchanger to cool down the bleed air more. Then the air is sent through the high pressure water separator, where the water vapor is changed into a liquid for the water extractors to remove the water in the bleed air. From the high pressure water separator, the bleed air goes into the turbine, which decreases air temperature by expansion of the bleed air. This cooled air is sent into the mixed manifold and into the aircraft cabin. Let's dive a bit deeper into the high pressure water separator. The reheater and condenser are air-to-air heat exchangers. This means that the air flowing through the reheater or condenser transfers the heat or cold air to the air flowing over the reheater or condenser, hence the name heat exchanger. In this process, the warm bleed air enters the reheater and exchanges its heat with the bleed air to the turbine. Then the cooled down air from the reheater goes into the condenser, where the bleed air is cooled by the cold air coming from the turbine discharge. This cools the bleed air down enough to condense the moisture in the bleed air into a liquid, which the water extractors can remove from the bleed air. The water removed from the system is sprayed from water spray nozzles onto the heat exchangers to help cool the bleed air entering the system. The water-free air is sent to the turbine of the air cycle machine. This all might sound familiar, but this principle is a lot like your fridge's vapor cycle. But instead of refrigerant liquid, the air conditioning system uses compressed air. Thank you for watching and see you next time.